Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to do a new chapter, that is your chapter 4, exploring Windows 11 OS. So what do you mean by OS? OS is simply the operating system. So Windows is a collection of so many programs termed as operating system. Now we know that Windows was launched in 1985, that was your Windows 1. After that there were so many versions of Windows that have been launched like XP, Vista 7, 8, 10. In this chapter we'll study about the latest version, that is your Windows 11. So let's begin with Windows experience. Windows 11. Sign in Windows 11 PC. Components of Windows 11. Settings. Shut down Windows 11. Let's just start the chapter.
Can we install Windows 11 in our computer? Yes, of course. Windows experience. Windows has always existed to be a stage for the world's innovation. In a world where more and more people are opting to use PCs in their day-to-day lives, Microsoft is back with a roaring passion to create a modern version of the Windows user experience that's simple to use, beautifully designed, and well-connected, all in an effort to make us more productive and creative. Windows is a collection of programs known as an operating system. The first Windows launched in 1985 was Windows 1.0. Later many versions were released such as Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Windows 11. Microsoft announced the biggest update to Windows OS in over 5 years with Windows 11. Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10. It has officially released to the public on 5th October 2021 as a free upgrade via Windows Update on eligible devices running Windows 10. The new OS comes with a completely modern and fresh interface, new apps and features, and some functionality changes. Features of Windows 11. The simplified design and user experience empowers the productivity and inspire one's creativity by offering flexibility. Instead of being anchored to the left side of the screen as it was in Windows 10, Windows 11 hovers just above the bottom center of the screen. Mac-like interface, Windows 11 features a new and clean design with rounded corners, pastel shades, and a centered start menu and taskbar. Integrated Android apps. Android apps will be coming to Windows 11 via the Amazon App Store, which will be accessible from within the updated Microsoft Store. Widgets. Windows 11 brings us closer to the news and information we care about faster with widgets. Widgets are small windows that display dynamic info on desktop. We can now access widgets directly from the taskbar and personalize them to reflect our interests and the way we work. Better virtual desktop support. Windows 11 can set up virtual desktops toggling between multiple desktops for personal, work, school or gaming use. We can also change our wallpaper on each virtual desktop. Gaming has always been fundamental to what Windows is all about. Game mode is a special mode within Windows 11. HDR is supported on compatible machines, offering improved lighting and contrast for gaming and viewing media. Better multitasking. Windows has always been about helping us work the way we want by offering flexibility of multiple windows and the ability to snap apps side by side. Windows 11 brings changes to Snap Assist with Snap Groups as part of the multitasking improvements. It has a feature called Snap Layout which provides a new option for organizing open windows. We can split the screen into multiple sections so as to open 4 or 6 windows simultaneously. They also let us plug and unplug from a monitor more easily without losing where our open windows are located. Though we have already been multitasking in Windows 10 with the ability to snap windows to various places on our screen, Windows 11 takes that feature to the next level. Sign into Windows 11 PC. When we turn our PC on, we will see the date, time and day. When we click on it, we will see a login screen with our PC's name and our photo. Log in using the correct credentials and click on the arrow right next to it. Once we are logged in, we will land on the desktop. This is where we can start exploring our PC, open various files and folders, launch apps, etc. Components of Windows 11. Start button. The Windows 11 Start menu is the first icon or button in the new Windows 11 taskbar. When we click on the Windows 11 Start button, it opens up a Start menu with a group of icons that include Microsoft Edge, Mail, Calendar, Microsoft Store, Photos, Settings Office, Xbox, and many more. Search button. The Windows 11 search function is located in the Windows 11 taskbar. When we click on the Windows 11 search button, a rectangular pane pops up with a search button at the top that allows us to search the files, folders, apps, etc. located on our PC. Task View. The Windows 11 Task View functionality allows the user to switch between multiple Windows 11 desktop views. Widgets. Windows 11 widgets, a new personalized feed powered by AI, are located as an icon in the Windows 11 taskbar. Each widget shows changing information such as stock price, weather, sports, and top stories. The latest version of the Windows 11 OS replaces the widget icon with a weather widget in the left corner. These widgets are scrollable. Depending on the Windows 11 widgets we have, we can scroll vertically to see more. Microsoft Teams. The pandemic drove new behavior for how we create meaningful connections with people digitally. Windows 11 was finalized during the COVID pandemic, which changed the way we work and live, with video conferencing and chat increasing as in-person meetings decreased. File Explorer. Windows 11 File Explorer opens up the File Explorer user interface. It helps us to get the files quickly and easily. It has a new, streamlined context menu, making it easier to get popular commands. To check it out, press Windows key plus E on the keyboard. Microsoft Edge. Clicking on Microsoft Edge icon will open up a Microsoft Edge browser window. In the browser URL window, we can enter the URL of the website we want to visit. Settings. We can make changes to the configuration of the Windows 11 OS through settings. There are a few icons on the taskbar by default that can't be removed using the unpin function. Apart from Start menu, we can remove the other icons using the taskbar settings. Right-click on the taskbar and then click on the taskbar settings option. Shut down Windows 11. To shut down the PC, launch the Start menu. The bottom right corner. Click on Power button and we will get the options to sleep, shut down or restart.